Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you this flourless chocolate banana bread. I'm going to use oats here to make this, and here I'm cutting the slices which is still hot. Once the bread cools down, then if you cut the slice and enjoy, it's going to be really tasty, absolutely delicious. But here my kids have activities, they want this as soon as possible, so it's still hot, they want to enjoy this oats banana bread. Very tasty. They are so happy to enjoy this easy recipe that we can make in no time. So here I'm taking three bananas. I'll mention all the ingredients used here in the video description, which you can later refer to it. So here I'm taking honey. There will be no oil, butter or granulated sugar in this recipe. So this is water, 2 eggs, cocoa powder. Here I'm taking Hershey's chocolate powder, baking soda, salt per taste, 2 cups of oats, I use blender here. That is quite easy, when you're in a hurry and you want to make something very quickly. This really helps, use the blender, add all the ingredients in it, and you can see just 15 minutes for the air fryer, and it's done. And if you let it cool down for 30 minutes and then you take the bread out, it's going to be really good and very tasty, unbelievably delicious it's going to be. Add 1 cup of this chocolate chips here. Give it a good mix. It's going to be really chocolatey flavor and it's going to be next level. Amazed by the result. This is how it looks. This is still hot. I should have let it cool down in the air fryer, but yes, as I mentioned, my kids are in a hurry. They want to have this before we go out for the activities. So we are cutting the bread slice here. Look how good they look. It's not very sweet. We have little honey here and the chocolate from the chips, that's it. And if you want, you can add more honey or any of your favorite topping for this bread. It's going to be next level, very fudgy and perfectly tender that you had never believed. It's made without any flour and oil. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon in my next recipe. Till then, bye bye and take care. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button.